possibility and anything you want of me. Nothing is impossible for you. There are no words or ways to show my love. All the thoughts I am thinking of, 'cause this life is no good alone. For you I'd make a promise of fidelity, now and for eternity. No one could replace this vow for you. I take your hand in the heart and everything, and add them to the wedding ring. This life is no good alone. Since we